Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best 300-watt amplifier for car audio enthusiasts, the PRV Audio MDX1200.4. Whether you're upgrading your car, motorcycle, ATV, or powersport vehicle, this compact powerhouse might just be the amp that takes your sound system to a whole new level. Let's start with the power. This mini amplifier delivers a true RMS output of 300 watts per channel at 2 ohms, across 4 channels. That's not peak power or a marketing gimmick, we're talking certified full-range Class D digital power. It's engineered using Brazilian audio technology, known for pushing performance boundaries while maintaining efficiency. This makes it ideal for high-output stereo systems where clean and consistent power is a must. And if you want to go even louder, you can bridge the MDX1200.4 into 2 channels, pushing 600 watts RMS per bridged output at 4 ohms. That means you can drive powerful speakers or subs without breaking a sweat, giving you flexible configuration options depending on your setup. Now let's talk size and installation. Measuring just 6.75 inches wide, 5.90 inches long, and 2.60 inches high, this amplifier features a small footprint heavy-duty heatsink design. That makes it incredibly easy to install in tight spaces, from under car seats to motorcycle compartments or side panels of an ATV. It's compact without compromising strength, which is a must for those who value both performance and portability. Built for versatility, this amp is purpose-designed for motorsport applications. Whether you're riding across rugged terrain or cruising on the open road, the MDX1200.4 is engineered to handle the vibrations and power demands of high-performance vehicles like custom motorcycles, slingshots, and side-by-sides. It's perfect for anyone looking to add serious audio power to an unconventional ride. In terms of compatibility, the 2-ohm stability of this 4-channel amp allows you to wire multiple speakers and divide the power per channel efficiently. You can power 4-door speakers, 2 bridged mid-bass drivers, or combine with subwoofers for a fully immersive system. This makes it an excellent choice for both casual listeners and serious audio builders who demand scalability and control. With a clean and minimalistic design, it doesn't draw attention to itself visually. But turn it on, and it will absolutely turn heads. It's all about delivering high-output sound with minimal distortion and smart thermal management. This is performance you can feel, whether you're cruising downtown or heading off-road. So, who is this amplifier for? If you need a high-powered, compact, durable, and bridgeable amp that delivers real wattage and can be installed just about anywhere, the MDX1200.4 checks all the boxes. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their mobile audio experience without the bulk of traditional amplifiers. That wraps up our deep dive into the PRV Audio MDX1200.4, arguably the best 300-watt car audio amplifier you can get in this form factor. If you're thinking of upgrading your vehicle's sound system, this might be the small but mighty solution you've been looking for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another hands-on review of the gear that matters. See you in the next one.